The YouTube people that have 4-stroke Mercury 4-stroke, and when it start up cold, it start a beep, like loud beep non-stop. I show you the trick. Easy to change it. It's the oil pressure sensor defect. So it's how you do. In YouTube, nobody show you when remove the oil pressure and replace the oil pressure. So I show you how to take them off. First, I have to remove 2 bolts up here, 10 millimeter. Just yank them up. And the pressure sensor switch should be right. I mean the oil pressure sensor switch should be right here. Right here. That's the one that make noise. It beep like really loud. So this is how I do. First, I don't know what side this one, but it's side 6, 7, I think. I don't know. I can't see anyway. So remove the little screw right here. Remove the little screw right there. This is the oil pressure switch right here. Remove them out. Remove that little screw right there. Okay. Little tiny screw. Long loose it. And I'll take the knob. I call everywhere in a boat thing, or boat marine or somewhere. They don't have nothing. It's some bullshit, you know. Seem like boat place probably carry all those shit, but they don't. And 24 millimeter, and just yank them up. Hope it don't break on me. I just put pretty tight now. See, let's go down. Take it easy. Don't break it. Yeah. Most YouTube people, they don't show you anything about the pressure switch. There's a pressure switch broke. The engine a little bit rough, and sometimes it shut off. It idle rough, and then it started shaking, shut off. So that's how you pull them out. Go to Napa. Napa, they match the part for you. So any pressure switch, see the pressure switch right there? I would pull out yesterday, clean them up, but I'm just don't take no risky. I'm gonna take this one to Napa and try to match one. They should be work. Any pressure switch, you know, it should be work. See, that's one right there. See that little hole? Find some motor oil in there. So something that not work right inside there, and piece of wire that right here that go to the steering, it make a bunch of beep sound like crap. Sound like it's gonna blow up, but it's not.